Come here, Larry. Come here. Hey, everyone. You should have 7A done and have listened to the first lesson before you do this lesson. It's a good idea because I'll be using words from the first lesson that will not make sense to you if you don't. Come here, baby. I want you to meet my dog. He wants to say hi. Say hi, Larry. Say hello to everybody. It's the love of my life. That was the love of my life. Still is. And now he is too. All right. Sorry, I didn't mean to waste your time. Okay, today we're going to add and subtract like terms. And I believe we have already done that. Of course, I can't find my marker. Oh, boy. I'm back. Anyway, we're going to add like terms today. Remember, like terms are variables with the exact same exponent and the exact same variable. For example, x squared and x are not like terms. The exponent here is a 2. The exponent here is a 1. They are not like terms. In order to be like terms, they have to be the same. Putting a y next to that would make them not like terms again. We're going to add like terms, and as we're adding them, we're going to put them in the right order. Let's talk about parentheses first. Let's say I have 6x squared minus 2x plus 5 minus x squared minus 8. First thing you do is look in front of this parentheses. There's no negative here, so we'll just rewrite it without parentheses. And here, think of it as a negative 1 out here and using the distributive property. Or logically, the opposite of x squared is negative x squared. The opposite of negative 8 is positive 8. Now we're going to add like terms. We have a 6x squared and we have a negative x squared. By the way, pardon my appearance. I'm not even combing my hair today. And that would be 5x squared. We have only one set of x's, that's negative 2x, and then a positive 5 and a positive 8 is positive 13. Simple, right? You just have to be careful when there's parentheses with a minus out there. If you can't remember to do the opposite, just use the distributive property with a negative 1. Okay, I'm just going to make these up. I don't need notes. Negative 5x squared, putting a minus out here, minus 4x plus 5 minus 6x squared minus y plus 2. All right, minus means that's going to be positive 5x squared, positive 4x, negative 5, negative 6x squared, positive y, negative 2. Like terms, we have a 5x squared and a negative 6x squared. That is negative 1x squared. Then we have plus 4x plus y, negative 5, negative 2, negative 7. These are not like terms, so we are completely done, except you really don't need that negative 1. You know I like for you to drop it. What are we going to use this for? I'm going to give you a rectangle and ask you to find the perimeter. So let's say the length of this is 3x squared plus 4x minus 7. That's a trinomial, remember? Degree of 2, degree of 1, but the whole trinomial has a degree of, I'm not going to tell you. That's the first thing I might ask on a CFU. All right. Over here, let's make the width also a trinomial. So we're going to add 4 sides. Now keep in mind, since you have 2 sides, you could actually multiply that by 2 and multiply that by 2. Or you can write these 2 4 times. 2 of these, 2 of these. I'm going to use the distributive property with a 2. We all know how to do that. That's 6x squared plus 8x minus 14. This will be plus 2x squared plus 10x plus 14. Now adding like terms, let's circle the x squareds, and we have 8 of them. Let's get the x's together. I'll put them in a box. It's good to make them different so you can tell what's what. That is positive 18x, and then negative 14 and positive 14 is 0. That's the final answer. That is the perimeter. Let's do a perimeter problem where I want you to find x and I give you the perimeter. Okay, I'm going to use my example for that because I know it comes out pretty. Okay, my example says the perimeter is 52 inches. That means it's 52 all the way around. This, added together is 52. And we're going to make this x plus 6 and this x plus 2. So we have this way, this time I won't use 2 with the distributive property. I'll write out 4 sides. First side, second side, third side, fourth side, all equal 52. Let's add like terms. 1, 2, 3, 4x plus 8, and 8 is 16, equals 52. Now I'm going to subtract 16 from both sides. 4x equals 36, I believe. Divide by 4, x equals 9. Put a 9 here, put a 9 here. This is 15, this is 11. 15 plus 11 plus 15 plus 11 is 52. So I know I have the right answer. And bottom line is you're just going to be adding like terms. On your homework, let's do the first one together. Number 1 is 3m cubed plus 8m cubed minus 3 plus just m cubed minus 2m squared. All right, like terms, I see 3m cubed plus 8m cubed and 1m cubed. Don't forget there's a 1 there. Some people just blow that off like it doesn't exist. 3 and 8 is 11 plus 1 is 12m cubed minus 2m squared minus 3. Notice I put them in the correct degree order in the beginning so that I don't have to rewrite them in order. Let's do number 2 on your homework. 2pg minus p to the 5th power minus 12pg plus 5g minus 6p to the 5th. The highest degree is p to the 5th. Negative 1, negative 6 is negative 7, p to the 5th. Then I have 2 pg's and negative 12 pg's. That's negative 10 pg's. And then I think I only have a g left. No constants. Okay, that is in the correct order and simplified. I would like to do one with parentheses with you. Oh, let me explain to you something people do wrong all the time. X squared plus x plus 3 plus 5x squared plus 7x plus 2. Just because we have parentheses, you'll notice this is plus. This will not become the opposite. You can just dump the parentheses and start adding. X squared, 5x squared, 6x squared. X, 7x, 8x, 3, 2, 5. It's only when you have subtraction and then parentheses. Boy, it's getting messy. Let's do one more and I'll stop. 7x squared minus 2x to the 1st power plus 5 minus x squared plus x minus 4. All right. rewrite the first one, because there's nothing out here, as is. Then it's minus x squared minus x plus 4. Now add like term. By the way, I expect to see this step. You people that don't like to show work, show it. 7x squared, and if you don't have a printer, you know, you can look at the screen and use paper. Everybody gets a 0 if they don't do their homework Friday. 7 minus 1 is 6x squared, negative 2, negative 1, negative 3x, positive 5, positive 4, positive 9. On Friday, I'll have the answers to 7A and 7B posted. And then we will go over it, and I'll go on with the next lesson. I believe the next lesson is multiplying, and that gets a little more difficult, but we just learned how to do that in chapter 6 that we just took a test on, so you might be okay. This is pretty good timing for this chapter. Hope you're staying warm. I sure am. My dog and I are just watching TV and working on your lessons. See you soon. Bye.